Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Already speaking. I didn't show yourself. So guys, we are doing cleaning. We are doing thorough cleaning. Harmony is there. She's sorting out books.
It's on. Want it to turn?
It's not on. It will not turn. Okay, let me on it so that I can turn. It's starting now. So guys, we are sorting out books right now. We just cleaned the cupboard. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to put them. All these are some of the books I kept from their school year. Yeah, some of them though. I don't really keep much because I don't have a lot of storage space. So that's just it. This is my Bible. So look at it everywhere. We already dusted all this place. There's a little bit of dust there though. So we have this little space to, there's dust. Look, I brought them dust. I don't understand. Let's clean all those. And they bring the cloth, man. If you don't touch that flower. No, don't call him. Don't disturb somebody at work. I know nobody when the cashier.
Maybe it's not work.
Don't call him. Yes. So I put this my beautiful flower here. I'm using this place as backdrop because most of the time when I'm making my videos, so this background always shows up. Here we put some of our everyday shoes. All those everyday shoes. So here the kids side. Nathan, you said your side is up or down?
It's down.
Down. I don't know. What will be the difference between up and down? Shenanigans everywhere. So guys, we are done. We are done. Just have to clean the living room. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Money is cleaning. While Nathan is doing shenanigans. The cover cloth is just exactly like the color of the couch. You see, it's better. Look at that. Imagine if the cloth was not covered. This will go directly to the chair. And you have kids, eh? This is just the way to go. This is the way to go. This part is clean now. Everywhere is almost clean. Just have to sweep the floor and mop. That's just it. Harmony is still trying to, she's still tidying up.
Mommy, you don't even know that one. I don't see.
Oh no, I agree with you.
You will hold my hands.